Hi Samuel, I've got another few questions to you. As it's not just about outsourcing, but about other businesses, what you actually running. So this is not my favor, but accountant. I know you're accountant. So why? I would say why. What inspired you to become an accountant, and how your experience shaped to the approach to helping business grow?
Okay, so I have a long version and short version. So
Let's say
I will
5 minutes.
I'll
Yeah.
try to I'll try to summarize it. So I knew from young age that I want to run business. And then I was thinking, what's the most important skill in the business? Yes, and I thought that it's really to understand the numbers, to understand the financial side of the business. And many businesses which fail, even like statistics say, I don't know, 80 or 90% don't survive 5 years. Yes, I don't know exactly the statistics, so please don't quote me
I
on
think
that.
it's up to 5 years.
But yeah, up to 5 years, most of the businesses, like more than half, let's say, more than half fail. And I think they don't fail because they don't have success. They fail because they don't count with with the problems, and the problems bring financial problems. It's very important in the business to stay in the business, so it's about financial control, cost control. So for me personally, I wanted to be an accountant because I wanted to be able to not just help myself in the businesses, but to be able to help others. And that's why I studied AAT, I have degree in accounting and finance, and I completed ACCA, so I am a chartered accountant. And that's my other involvement, like you mentioned, that's my other business activity. I help businesses to, improve cash flow, accounting, bookkeeping, and all these
Cool.
matters.
I think I have another question to you. So we're jumping to another question, something what you mentioned already. Many small businesses struggle with the financial management, correct?
Yes.
What is the most common financial mistakes you see, and actually how you can them help avoid them?
Okay, so I think the biggest problem, and again, it's not statistics, that's from my experience, small businesses don't track the cash flow. So a lot of small businesses, and you can see it everywhere on Facebook. Once a year, who can do my final accounts? Who can do my tax return?
December, yeah.
Who can, yes. If you run a business, you shouldn't be asking this question. You should have someone from the beginning or during the year who is helping you, maybe guiding you, not just at the end when you need to submit financial reports or do the annual account. So I think it's this, visibility of cash flow. We have another client where we do the bookkeeping, for example, and this specific client, they use accountants. Yes, so, but they just get a report once a year. So we help them with bookkeeping, but also we prepare them management account. So every month we give them, look, this is every month broken down. These are your income items, these are your expenditure items. So we try to implement it for every client. Of course, if it's a small, tiny client, one person, they don't need so much detail, but still, it's good to know every month where you are with your cash. Definitely. Yes, because sometimes small businesses, you can be profitable and you can go bankrupt because you generate profit by sending invoices out, and if the clients don't pay the invoices, you go bankrupt. So it's quite common to be profitable and have financial problems.
All right, thank you. I think the cash flow is very important to keep eye for
Yes.
that. And definitely, I will myself, from my business point of view, my experience, I'm always recommending to don't leave this for one day, last day, December, basically, if this is self-employer for last day of your accountant, a financial year, because that can make for you big problems.
Yeah.
And trouble for HMRC.
Yeah, cash flow is the key.
Cash flow is the key.